a tiled floor, a tiled shower surround. Awesome vanity, white vanity, single bowl, one sink, lots of upgrades to the fixtures. This home is entirely new. Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today I am in the village of Della Vista West. We do have another open house. We do have a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom patio villa that is wood framed. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Della Vista West in the northern part of the villages. We do have a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom patio villa that is wood framed. It is offered at $245,000. I will take a panoramic view of the street. The front of this home does face north. That is facing east. And that is facing west. As I walk up to this home, I do notice it has a concrete driveway that's in good condition. This is a wood framed home. It has a 1.5 car garage, very mature landscaping. As always, please contact your listing agents, Linda Sears or Ron Sirota. That is their contact information. As I walk up to the front of the home, the front patio does have concrete. Looks like they added some extra concrete there over time. That is the front of your home. That is your side yard as well. That is a side patio. The back of the home does face south. You will see inside this home there are many upgrades. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. This home does have knockdown textured ceilings as well. Off to the right you do see the kitchen. That kitchen does have granite countertops and subway tile backsplash. This home also has an in-home stereo system, and it has entirely been upgraded. You can see this home is in immaculate condition. There is a closer look at your granite countertops and your tile backsplash. That is beautiful. It's gorgeous. This home does have a 2-bowl sink as well. And it has an electric stove. The cabinets are painted with bronze hardware. You do see crown molding on top of those cabinets as well. Stainless appliances. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of where this home is located. This home is located at 1718 Morelos Drive. List price $245,000. Please contact Linda Sears, your listing agent. I will include her contact information in the description of the video. Feel free to pause the video to read the specification sheet. I do appreciate it. I will turn the specification sheet over. There is the second side of your specification sheet. I will walk through the rest of this home. I will show you the many upgrades that has been performed on this home. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom patio villa home. This would be a pantry closet or a linen closet that is located right next to the kitchen area. You do see the luxury vinyl plank floor continuing in this bedroom. It has plantation shutters as well. Very neutrally decorated home. It has sliding doors on the closet. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This bedroom is 12 feet by 15 feet. You do have an entry door from this bedroom into the bathroom. It is a sliding pocket door. Off to this bathroom, you do see a tiled floor, a tiled shower surround. Awesome vanity, white vanity, single bowl, one sink. Lots of upgrades to the fixtures. This home is entirely new. Very large, what appears to me to be a 48-inch shower. This home is in great condition. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here is a guest bedroom. You do see the luxury vinyl floors continuing in this room. You do see the extra wide base molding as well. That's 5¼ inch base molding. Knockdown textured ceilings. You do see the plantation shutters. This guest bedroom dimensions are 10 feet by 11 feet. You do see white sliding doors on the closet in this room. This home has many updates, many upgrades. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. That kitchen is awesome. I will take a panoramic view again. Plantation shutters, knockdown texture. This home has been entirely redone. Stainless appliances. I will take a video of the pantry as well. This is the pantry in the kitchen. Kitchen pantry closet right there. There you have it. Next I will go into the garage and show you that. Here is the 1.5 car garage. You can see it does have a painted concrete floor. It is very clean. That would be the space for your laundry area there, friends. That is your mechanical. You can park a golf cart right over there on that side of the garage. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk out into the street. I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. One last view of the kitchen area. I will walk out into the street, friends. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. This home does face north. The front of the home faces north. You do have a small seating area here in the front of the home as well. As always, please contact your listing agent, Linda Sears, if you have any questions about this home. That is her contact information. I will walk out to this street. I'll give you one last view of the home. There you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom patio villa here in the village of Della Vista West, here in the Villages, Florida. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Della Vista West, in the northern part of the Villages. This 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom patio villa is offered at $245,000. Have a great weekend, everyone.